Hey guys, welcome back to Qiyi Video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Qiyi MS 4x4. As you can see, I'm really excited about this cube because my sister got this for me as a gift for graduating 5th grade. And also, I've really wanted all of the Qiyi MS puzzles, and the 4x4 is really good, and I want to try it out. Today, for the shoutouts, I want to give a big shout out to Arjun Prabhane for always commenting on my videos and liking them and watching them. Let's get into it. I really like the box. For other boxes, usually I don't keep them, but this I really have to keep it because it's plastic. I'm not throwing away this hard, nice box. And so I have to remove the plastic here first. Okay, now I'm gonna open the box. I think I have to open it like this, okay? And it just opened and it stops right there, which is nice. And then we have the 4x4. Okay, I'll keep the box and the pamphlet to the side now. And I'm gonna open up the cube. Oh, there it is. Okay, the cube does have some lube on it. I don't need to wipe it off, it's just a little messy. Alright, for first turns, it's a little sandy. Probably because it's just a brand new cube out of the box. I think it's a bit too tight. For me, I might have to loosen it. Yes, it's not anything like the GAN. You just have to stick a screwdriver in there. And it turns really nicely. I think after a bit of breaking in, it won't be as sandy. Alright, parity seems to be okay. Okay, I'm going to test out corner cutting now. So for normal corner cutting, alright, it can't do over one piece. Let's check half a piece. Yeah, it can do half a piece. Pretty good. No? Okay. And then for reverse corner cutting, alright, it can't reverse corner cut. I'm a little sad about that. Oh, it can. Can it? I don't know. I'm really not sure now. The outer layers are pretty fast, and the middle layers are pretty fast too. The magnets are medium strength, or they're light, I'm not sure. I think they're medium. The plastic feels a bit different. It's not like a glossy kind of feel. It's more in between glossy and matte. And can't corner twist good. Okay. Oh, it has this nice sticker logo. I like this logo. This is a nice logo. Probably says Qiyi M. Okay, so this cube is really nice so far. Oh, it's starting to get less sandy and it's faster now. Gonna see if I can do OLO parity on it. Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. I really like the turning of this cube. It doesn't have any like springy noises or anything, which is really nice. And it'll be pretty easy to reach the screws since I don't have to take off any center caps. Are there center caps or are they just like... yeah, they're just like that. The turning is really nice. The corner cutting is great. And I don't really need it to be that good because for 4x4s, I'm really slow at 4x4. So I'm probably not going to miss a line. The middle layers turn nicely, and you can easily do double like M moves for 3x3 stage. And yeah, it's not that heavy. It's pretty light. I'm gonna compare the size to the 3x3. See. So I have my 4x4 and 3x3, and this size compared to my other 4x4, it is the same. Compared to my 56mm 3x3, it is pretty big. So if this is 56, I'm pretty sure this cube is like 60 or 61, maybe 59. Yeah. And now I'm going to do a solve on it. Oh, and before I do solve, this cube comes in stickered and stickerless, like all the other MS puzzles. So if you want, you can get it from Amazon, Speed Cube Shop, The Cubicle, wherever you want. I'll have links in the description for all of them. And yeah, let's get into the solve. Okay, so I'm going to get it all scrambled up. Oh, that's a weird lockup. Another one. I think I'm really going to have to tension this cube because it's locking up a bit too much. Okay, I'm going to get my speed stacks timer. Inspect. And by the way, if you're wondering, I do not use Yow or any of those methods. I just use the beginner method. Because it doesn't really make a difference for me. And by the way, I am really slow at 4x4, so sorry, I probably will skip ahead, so you don't have to watch my whole solve. I messed up there. Okay, now onto the right 3 stage, my favorite part. Nice, parody. Double parody. Alright, so I got 3 minutes 37 seconds, which is okay for me. But yeah, overall, this is an excellent cube. If you want to buy it, I'll have some links in the description or in a card right there. Or there. I think it's going to be over there. And yeah, if all of the MS cubes are like this, then I recommend all of them to you. And the MS puzzles are like, if you haven't heard about the MS puzzles yet, they're a new Qiyi budget line of puzzles. They have the 2x2, the 3x3, the 4x4, the 5x5, the Pyraminx. I don't think they have anything else. And yeah, I really love this cube, and you should buy it. So yeah. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. There, I don't know. It'll be somewhere over there. And smash that like button too. And if you want, you can comment down below on what you think of my videos. And if you have any video suggestions, you can also comment down below. And sorry if sometimes when I upload my videos, the comments are disabled. It's just some weird YouTube thing. I'm sorry. If you want to comment, you can just come back later, and hopefully the comments are enabled. So yeah, bye.